a revolutionary mind, Newton's enduring influence. Isaac Newton stands as a colossal figure in the history of science. His revolutionary ideas reshaped our understanding of the universe. From the falling of an apple to the motion of planets, Newton's insights illuminated the fundamental laws of nature. Newton's masterpiece laid the groundwork for classical mechanics. This groundbreaking work introduced the laws of motion and universal gravitation, concepts that still form the bedrock of our scientific understanding. His work transcended his time, influencing generations of scientists and shaping the course of modern science. This essay explores the life, work, and enduring legacy of Isaac Newton. Unlocking the universe, Newton's laws of motion and universal gravitation. Newton's 3 laws of motion, outlined in thee, provided a clear framework for understanding the movement of objects. These laws explained everything from the trajectory of a cannonball to the orbits of planets. The first law, inertia, states that an object at rest will remain at rest, and an object in motion will continue in motion at a constant velocity unless acted upon by a net force. The second law, often summarized as F equals sign ma, describes the relationship between force, mass, and acceleration. The third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Newton's law of universal gravitation proposed that every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force proportional to their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. This profound insight revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos, revealing a universe governed by elegant and predictable laws. Illuminating the spectrum, Newton's contributions to optics. Newton made significant contributions to the field of optics, particularly in understanding the nature of light and color. In his experiments with prisms, Newton demonstrated that white light is a composite of all the colors of the rainbow. He showed that when white light passes through a prism, it is refracted at different angles depending on the wavelength of each color. This separation of colors creates the familiar spectrum of the rainbow. Newton's work in optics led to the development of the reflecting telescope, a design that used mirrors instead of lenses to gather and focus light. This innovation revolutionized astronomy, allowing for the construction of larger and more powerful telescopes. Newton's contributions to optics were not without controversy, sparking debates within the scientific community. The language of change, Newton's invention of calculus. Newton's invention of calculus stands as a testament to his mathematical genius. Calculus provided a new language for understanding the physical world, enabling scientists to model and analyze a wide range of phenomena. Newton's development of calculus was not in isolation. Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz independently developed his own version around the same time. This led to a bitter priority dispute, but the invention of calculus remains a pivotal moment in the history of mathematics. It provided a new framework for understanding the universe, unlocking possibilities in fields ranging from physics to computer science. Beyond the telescope, Newton's fascination with alchemy and theology. Beyond his scientific discoveries, Isaac Newton harbored a deep fascination with alchemy and theology. Alchemy, a blend of philosophy, mysticism, and proto-science, captivated Newton's imagination for decades. He meticulously studied ancient texts, conducted experiments, and sought to unlock the secrets of transmutation and the elixir of life. Newton's religious beliefs also played a significant role in his life. A devout Christian, he dedicated considerable time to studying the Bible and exploring the relationship between science and religion. He saw no contradiction between his scientific pursuits and his faith, believing that both offered complementary paths to understanding the divine order of the universe. Newton often referenced the Bible, particularly the Book of Daniel, in his theological studies. Newton's explorations in alchemy and theology highlight the interconnectedness of knowledge in his time. The Mint and the Man Newton's life beyond science. Isaac Newton's life extended beyond his scientific achievements. He served as warden and later master of the Royal Mint, overseeing the production of coinage and combating counterfeiting. Newton's meticulous nature and dedication to precision served him well at the Mint. He implemented reforms, improved the quality of coinage, and pursued counterfeiters with a relentless zeal. Despite his intellectual brilliance, Newton remained a solitary and often reclusive figure. He never married and had few close relationships, with his intense focus on work often coming at the expense of social connections. Nonetheless, Newton's impact on those around him was undeniable, inspiring generations of scientists with his groundbreaking work. Newton's legacy, a universe unveiled. Isaac Newton's legacy looms large over the landscape of science. His contributions to physics, mathematics, and optics revolutionized our understanding of the universe. His laws of motion and universal gravitation provided a unified framework for describing the behavior of objects on Earth and in the heavens. His invention of calculus provided a powerful tool for describing change and analyzing complex phenomena. Beyond his specific scientific achievements, Newton's legacy lies in his transformative approach to understanding the natural world. He championed observation, experimentation, and mathematical reasoning as the cornerstones of scientific inquiry. Newton's work has inspired countless scientists, mathematicians, and thinkers, and his legacy continues to shape our understanding of the universe. If you enjoyed this exploration of Isaac Newton's genius, like, share, and subscribe to Muse of Knowledge. Dive into a plethora of topics from the spiritual and esoteric to the historical, scientific, and unknown.